2006 Honda Pilot. I'm gonna replace starter motor. It's 3.5 engine. Any Honda to 3.5 engine. So this is very simple job. This is starter right here. See the battery. You have to take the battery out, and the battery tray. And starter is right there. And let me take the battery out. There's a 10 millimeter right here and 10 millimeter in here. It should be one mount here for battery. So I think this vehicle does not have that. I don't know why. That's why it's moving. You see the battery? It should be holding. There's the one mount right there. You can tidy it up, and it's not gonna move. So let me take the battery out. Take the tray out. Yeah, I'm gonna just take one hose, this one, to radiator hose out. There's a clamp right here. See this? Just press like this and pull it this. Then you can take this hose off. You're gonna lose a little bit of antifreeze, but I have no choice. It's better than fight with this. So I can have a little more. I can still do it without take this, but I need a little room. So it's better to take this one hose off. This is a hose clamp. Take this hose clamp off. After you taking the hose clamp out, and with the channel lock, just lose the hose like this. See, this hose is coming out little by little. There's a little bit of antifreeze coming out. See, this whole thing is came out. So you're not gonna lose a lot of antifreeze. Only see the little bit. You just put the hose somewhere like this. It's not gonna lose too much antifreeze. There you go. See, now I have a access. I think this one, you just pull it like this. So I'm gonna take this upper radiator hose too to make little access. You don't have to do, but I feel comfortable having more room. Just take the clamp, move here, just push it here, move the clamp, and with the channel lock, like this, push like this. So it's free now. You can pull it out. It's free. Now just pull it out. This came out. Okay, hold it. It lost a little bit of antifreeze, but you don't have to take the upper one. If you take the upper one, you're gonna lose a lot of antifreeze. Just take the bottom one, but for easier and for the video purpose, I open this. So on the new starter, you see this one ball here, 14 millimeter, right above is. Another one is right there. It's just 2 bolts, that's it. You have to take it out. So if this connector is bothering you, just there's a push clip right here. Just push this and pull it. See, this came out. And don't forget to put it back when you're done. Just put it back. So try to put a long like this, a breaker or something. If you have a long one, so you can put the, you'll be able to open very easily. See this, you can open now very easily. So grab this, don't lose that, you need that, put it back. The starter doesn't come with the bolt. Just grab with the finger. There you go. So you see this yellow wire, there's a clip right here, the push clip. Just push like with the pliers from both sides, just pinch that and the pull is going to come out. See this, I take the push clip, pinch this and pull this from there. Then when you're done, is put it back. Let's push it in, push clip. Now I have more access. See this for the ball. The ball is right here. This is the ball right here. My finger right there. See this. Now you have the idea where is the ball. I attach the extension to the ball right there. See this. Okay, now it's loose already. Now I can go with the hand. See this? This is the ball right there. Here. I think it's two balls is the same size. Yeah, it's same. After that, just you can take this very easily, pull it out. See this on the starter, there's a one bracket. There's I think it's 8mm. There's 8mm. Take the ball out, or because this bracket you need to put on the new starter. There you go, this is our starter out. Now let me give you the better shot. There's a gasket, make sure don't lose the gasket. This is the gasket. See the gasket? You have to put it back. Just clean a little bit. And there's a one ball here, the one ball right there. That's it. Make sure you clean the gasket, please. See a lot of dust and debris right here, and yeah, just clean. Make sure you don't drop inside anything, or you can with the razor blade you can clean this, or put some brake clean. When you put it in, you see this one like a pin in here. The one is right there. There's a hole in the right there. So make sure this two pin goes through the hole. See the gasket I put on the new starter. So put on the starter. There's two holes, one here, one there. Just put this in. So it's not gonna come out. After that, just put the starter in and put this two bolts, tied it up and down, and put this all this connection back, this one, this, and whatever you open, just put it back. And the reverse is removable, so don't forget to put this connector back. There's a we open one connector right there, this one. See this? So don't forget to put it back when you put this connector back. Make sure you hold the hand behind it and push from the top, so until you hear the click. See these two pins, this is one goes in here, another one is right there. Don't forget to put this right here and put it back this. Put the battery back, all this stuff, and the upper hose and the water hose. That's all, guys. Thank you.